Alright, so now that we have our file saved and ready to go, I'm going to go ahead and open it up here in Notepad. I closed it just to show you guys something real quick. When you go to open a file, once you've closed it once before, I'm going to go to File, Open here. Text Edit and Notepad aren't going to show your HTML file because they are looking for .txt files. So go ahead and just change that to all files on the PC side. I'm not exactly sure what the mechanism is for that on the Mac side, but it should be something similar, and your HTML file should appear. So here is some basic HTML code. I'm assuming all this looks familiar to you guys. Um, if it doesn't, then you might need to do some brushing up. Here's our body. Anything inside the body, of course, gets shown within the web browser. Here's our head section. Anything in the head section does not, except for the title tag, which gets shown at the very top of the browser. Other things that get included in the head section are any metadata things, extra scripts, JavaScripts. This is where we're also going to link to our CSS file that we're going to create. That's all within the head section there. This week I assigned you guys for homework to create an index.html file. The difference between what I asked you guys to create and this here is a couple things. One, this is missing the doc type, so I want you guys to include that and just follow along with what he has in the book there. I think it's chapter 2. The XML declaration, oops, that has to be lowercase, with the long URL there. Now, just so you guys know, you don't need to memorize those long URLs. I never have. Most web designers don't, even seasoned ones. And Dreamweaver, in fact, adds those automatically to every HTML document. So, wink, wink. You guys can use that as a resource. And what else here? So, I have some content here. I separated this on purpose. Just a quick reminder that HTML ignores white space. So if I move this closing p tag up and down, it makes no difference. Also, if I move some content around without adding any actual breaks, just hitting returns, it's going to look exactly the same in the browser window, whether they're on the same line or not. So just a quick review there for you guys. The other thing to notice is that I've tabbed in from the side here. Just to keep things nice and orderly. You guys have probably noticed that I'm a lot of HTML files on your own, and I'll be doing that as well. So in case you guys are wondering why things get tabbed over, it's just easier to read. Separate code out from where it starts and stops. So I have an H1 here, my header, followed by some content. I definitely want that from you guys in the homework assignment this week. And definitely give me more than I have here. If you want to add some images, if you guys know how to add images, go ahead and do that. Anything that you guys want to start styling with the CSS would be good to add. If you want to add divs, if you know how to use divs, you can. I will get into divs, and we'll start wrapping your content with divs in the next couple chapters here. So don't worry too much about that. But just give me some stuff that we can start styling as we move along. Alright, so that's it for now. It's just a quick review. I'm going to go ahead and save this before I close it. Always good to save before you close, and I'll see you on the next video.